So if you're starting a YouTube channel, I know you're in the stage of looking for an intro, and if you're not sure how to get quality intros for your channel, this video is here to help you out. So I present to you 9 different alternative ways you can make an intro. I gathered up the most common and also never heard before approaches you can take to make yourself a nice decent intro on your Android device. So before we begin, if you want to learn some really dope Android tips and tricks, then hit subscribe and the bell. The first way you can take to make an intro on your Android phone is using the website called PanSoit. It's probably the most common place you can go to get yourself an intro, and I think this website rightfully deserves the hype it gets. It may not have the best layout or user-friendly intuitive interface, but just look at the vast collection of intro templates it offers. 2D intro, 3D intro, outro, you name it. So if you want to get yourself one, just select the template you like, go to the clip maker, it will take time to load, then click objects in the hamburger menu and search for text, double tap on them, change the text layer to your channel's name. You have to do that with both the layers. After you're done, go to download and render it, and it will take a while. The second alternative way is the 2D or 3D templates on YouTube. There are thousands and thousands of YouTube videos out there which offer dope free intro templates. All you gotta do is search no name intro templates, select the one you like, download the templates from the link in the description, then get the Pixelflow app, make a 3D text in your channel's name with the right color schemes and tone of the intro template, then get your favorite video editor and insert the PNG text into the video clip where you are supposed to. If you still can't do it on your own, just watch a YouTube video. The next one is using the app Kindmaster. This time you're gonna need a little bit of video editing skills. I think Kindmaster is the most powerful video editing app on a platform like Android, especially because of its keyframe animation feature. It is a lone wolf in this game. With the help of the free backgrounds and using the keyframe animation, you can make a pretty good 2D intro for yourself. You just have to be a little bit creative. Also, some YouTube tutorials are always there to help you. The next approach you can take to get an intro is using the application called Animoto. This app doesn't get the love it deserves in my opinion. It is highly underrated and not many people know about it. The application lets you use zillions of high quality free templates to make your little project on. Well, to do that, click the pencil icon and select change style, then negotiate with your brain carefully of choosing the right template because it can be overwhelming given its variety of beauties. After you're done deciding, as usual, select that template and click the check mark. Then select a song for your intro, you insert your own graphics or videos into the animation, then finally add the text, first title, then a subtitle. After some time, your little dish will be ready. Another common place you can go to for an intro, well in this case this one is too common, is this legend. The intro that this app offers is simple, short and doesn't waste time. To get yourself one, just open the app, type the text, you can add an image as background if you want, then click the play icon and a plethora of text animations will appear. You can check out all of them one by one. Also you can change the color schemes. After you're done playing with the themes, select the one you're content with, then tap the download icon and select save as video and you're done. Next up is the app Diddy. The animations here are targeted for Instagram stories, but I contend that they can also be used as an intro. So the animations kinda look like this.
Welcome to Iperial Android.
You can watch this video of mine in the card right here if you wanna know how to make it. Another similar one like Legend is the app Quick Video Editor, but the text animations here are more dynamic, lively, and colorful than the ones in Legend. So to make one, click the plus icon, select one or more than one videos or images you wanna add into your intro. It's mandatory. Click the check mark, select the text animation that fits your needs. Click on the pencil icon to add your text. It also gives you the chance to add music. Once you're finished editing, click the save option and you're good to go. The next two are going to be paid options. So the first one in the paid arena is the application Intro Maker. I know, a pretty self-explanatory title. This one is paid for a reason as it offers a heap of professional looking short intro templates. Just select one of them, choose the resolution, then it will lead you to the editing page after a while. Select the title to give in your channel's name, add the precise time length, then it's all good. But you have to pay if you want to remove the watermark. The last one I have here is the application Pixelflow. This application offers some really creative looking intro templates. Some are free, some are for pro users. So I'm gonna select the free one here. A pop-up is gonna appear. In that, click use. You can change all the elements of your intro here, but I'm not gonna go into that much detail here. You just give in the text and the subtitle, and after you're done playing around, tap export, and again it's gonna charge you if you're gonna get that watermark removed. And also I have a lot of videos in this channel regarding Android tips and tricks. You just have to subscribe and hit the bell to get the video updates, and also drop a like if you found this video remotely helpful. See you next time.